If you notice white particles floating in your beverage as your ice begins to melt, as demonstrated here, this may be calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a natural mineral present in many sources of water, although it is not usually visible since it is dissolved. However, when water freezes, the dissolved minerals solidify into tiny particles. These particles can appear when the ice begins to melt. White particles may be more likely to occur if the water being supplied to your home is hard or well water. If you remain concerned about the quality of your water, an inexpensive water quality test can be purchased at your local home improvement store. You can also request a water quality test report from your local utility company. To learn more about your appliance or any LG product, be sure to visit our YouTube channel or our LG website. And we'll see you next time.